during the Gamescom event, during which the future of the console was revealed. There were updates on each upcoming big game. Details about Forza Horizon 4 were revealed. For example, in the mode of Team Adventure mode that allows players to compete together, games and other modes. Xbox announced that, finally, PUBG will abandon the Xbox game preview, for example, which means that it is finally considered a complete game after the developers had problems to make it work correctly. Xbox also revealed a lot of important new content for existing games. These include a new update of free content for Sea of Thieves called The Forsaken Shores, which arrives on September 19, and additional content for STATE of DECAY 2. There was new hardware, but mostly it came in the form of color updates for controllers and package upgrades for consoles.